morning, guys. Happy New Year. Today is 2020, first day of the month. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to cook anchovy Cambodia fish. This is so good, guys. This is, oh my god, this is a salmon fish. You know, my good friend gave it to me last night when we celebrate New Year. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to cook this anchovy Cambodia fish pickle. Alright, so let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them very well. This is all you know, the ground fried rice and salt in here. So I'm gonna clean them very well. This is so good, guys. I can't believe this is very good fish. Wow, I can't wait. You know, my dad's Cambodia. I am my mom's Laos. You know, I'm big. My dad would love if he's still here with us. He's gonna love this fish right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out. All the you know, ground fried rice in here and clean very well. I'm gonna show you how to cook this good anchovy fish. Okay, this saute and sour a little bit. Okay, this is clean very well right now. I'm gonna rinse it out and take all the good meat, good fish right here. Put it here. Finish it. I'm gonna cook. Give it to all my friends because they don't know how to cook. I'm gonna cook for them and we have to share. That's a good part. That's a fat salmon stomach right here. It's very good part in here too. It's already clean. You see that? All the good stuff right here, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to deep fry this. Alright, let's go start it. First, stone on the stove. Alright, let's go start it. And this is gonna be oil. Kind of put a little bit more. Yes, that's because kind of deep fry. This is gonna be good, I'm telling you. Okay, before I cook the fish, I'm gonna go ahead deep fry a hot pepper first. Okay, guys? That's how you deep fry hot pepper and so crunchy and eating good. Okay, look at that. So easy. But if you're not lazy to cook, anything happen in your kitchen. Okay. So I am not lazy to cook. I'm loving it. So anything happen in my kitchen right here. See that? Ready? Done. Just like that. See that? Done. Okay, very easy, quickly, only the 30 seconds. Let's take it off from the hot oil. Look at that. Good, crazy good. And relax on the side right here, okay? That's it. Relax the side right here. Alright, let's go start cooking fish. Go ahead, lay out the fish in here. See that? One by one. Put in here until I finish. Last piece. See that? Alright, everything in the pot now. We deep fry, okay? Come back another couple minutes, okay? Like that, guys. Let it go crispy a little bit. See what I can do. Ooh, that look yum, huh? Ooh, this is gonna be very gentle. Look at, guys. Look good, right? But a little bit damaged. Okay, that's fine. Let it cook like that. Alright, look at this. Oh my god, they look yummy. Yummy, crispy. Yeah, turn over. It's kind of stick. This is part not very good like they thought. They say non-stick part, but I try my best. They are not non-stick part, but my feet is good. Look at this. Let them cook for another 10 minutes. I'll be back crispy. Okay guys, done now. I'm gonna turn off. This is nice and crispy enough for me. This is gonna be good. This yum salmon fish. How can you go wrong with salmon fish, right? Okay, let's go take it out. Alright, let's take it out. I'm gonna share by 3 because my friend, they don't know how to cook. They want me to cook. So let's do it, okay? Here, one order from each. Okay, take it out. Oh my god, this is crazy good. Yum, guys. Look at how crispy is it. This is for me. I'm gonna eat right here in the house. Look at how crispy it looks. Okay, this is for Ting. Okay, this is for Hua. For Ahua. Here go. Deep fry onion, guys. When you cook, I love deep fried onion. Just go ahead, sparkle deep fried onion in there, and gonna be nice and crisp. Look at that. How yum is that, right? This is gonna be delicious. You love it. You're gonna love it. And spring crispy deep fried onion in there. Oh my god, you guys, this is food never get fat. This is a anchovy, salmon fish anchovy, okay? Salmon fish anchovy, guys. Look at this. And I'm gonna sparkle spring onion, just yum, and look good. Spring sparkle in there, and here come 3 order. Everybody get one. That's a New Year. Anchovy, salmon anchovy. Okay, that's a New Year. I cooking, and cooking food is very easy. If you love to cook, guys, everything will be awesome. Cook good food in the house and eat with family and friends. Enjoy, and that's it. That's what life's all about. Okay. And now here come. I do that early today. This is my deep fried roasted hot pepper. Look at that. Everybody have one. Oh my god, this is crazy. 2020 food, guys. Okay, here you have it. It's done just like that. 1, 2, 3 order. Anchovy salmon fish. Anchovy salmon fish. Deep fry. This is Cambodia. Make this anchovy salmon fish and cooked by me. I am from Laos. Cooked by me. So this is how they have get done. See that? Beautiful. And let's go eat it. Oh my god, this is crazy good, huh? Okay. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna go sit down and eat. If you love this, thumbs up, subscribe. Follow me to cook the way I cook. I'm gonna show you all the way I have. Okay, I'm gonna show you something you don't even know how to cook, and then you follow me, you can cook just at no time. Alright guys.